This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Fortnite. First, prepare your controller for pairing by holding down the PlayStation button and the share button together for about 3 seconds. The light bar will begin flashing rapidly. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You will see Wireless Controller appear. Select it to complete the connection, readying your controller for immediate use. For a stable and lag-free experience, consider connecting your PlayStation 4 controller with a micro USB cable. Simply plug one end into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your gaming system or computer. This method often requires no additional setup, as your device typically recognizes the controller automatically. It is a fantastic option if you prefer not to deal with wireless pairing or battery life. Once your controller is connected, open Fortnite and head into the game settings from the main menu. Look for the Controller Options tab, usually indicated by a small gamepad icon. Here, you can fine-tune essential settings like aiming sensitivity, the controller's dead zone, and even customize your button layout. Taking a few moments to personalize these settings will significantly enhance your gameplay comfort and precision. Sometimes, controllers can be a bit finicky. Do not worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. A common fix is to reset the controller by pressing a small button on the back with a paperclip for about 5 seconds. Also, ensure your device's software and Fortnite itself are fully updated to their newest versions. Finally, close any unnecessary background apps that might be interfering with your controller's connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.